Peace. What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to test out the sound levels of three of these popular devices that you may have seen at Metro by T-Mobile. The Alcatel 3V, the Stylo 5, as well as the Coolpad Legacy 2. So we have all three devices right here in front of us. We also do have an instrument that will help us measure the sound decibels of it says it's a digital sound level meter, which measures sounds and electronics to see how many decibels they have and everything, and how high the volume gets. But without any further ado, we do have the Coolpad on the left right here, so we can actually put that up to the microphone, which I do have right here in front of me. And then we do also have the barometer right here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and press the play button and play that for like 10 seconds or so. But the cool thing that we're gonna test out for this is when we turn it on, it will be able to measure the maximum sound, minimum sound, and also just sound like in general fluctuating. So we're gonna leave it on max sound for now, right here. Actually just press play. 1, 2, and since the speaker is down here, I'm gonna put it right down below on the speaker. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that I have a score right here of 94.6. So let me just make sure I make note of that. So that's when I'll just take out my stylo right here. Let's make a quick memo right here. We're gonna just add a new one. So we're gonna say that the Coolpad Legacy, and we're gonna give it a 94.6. All right, so let's just close that. Wait, that sucked. Let me just go back to the regular pen. All right, so that was actually a pretty good score, but let's see what the LG Stylo 5 can do in comparison to the Coolpad Legacy. So let me just press play. This is where the speakers are, right at the bottom on the LG Stylo 5. And let's just hit play. Okay, so something to note there is that the sound was a little bit muffled at top volume, but it actually did get a 95.3, which actually means it's pretty loud. As far as like sound, it's pretty loud. Wait, so let's go back over here and LG Stylo 5, and then let's just put that it got a 95.3 right here. Wow, so I'm actually pretty surprised. I didn't think that it would score higher or anything, but just because the volume is louder doesn't mean it's gonna have overall sound quality. But let's just listen to the Alcatel 3V after this and see how high it gets, and then we'll compare them to each other one by one. So let me just test out the 3V right now. So let's just put this up to here. And this one actually has speakers up top and below, which is crazy. So I'm just gonna put it down here since this is the main one, and then just hit play. Wait a minute. So this one had a 95.5. I think we have a new winner. But hold on one second. Let me just see something real quick. Let's take this out. Okay, so for the Coolpad Legacy, we had a 94.6. For the Stylo, we have a 95.3. And it looks like our champion now out of this comparison is the Alcatel. Wait, did I just put CV? Hold on. 3V, and it has a 95.5, which is the winner right here. So that's actually pretty cool. But now let's just actually put them side by side and actually put them next to the microphone, which is right here, just to see which one is actually louder, like as far as like level, like as far as like what you can hear right now. So let me just pause the video and do that. Okay guys, so this is the Coolpad Legacy. Alright guys, this is the LG Stylo 5. Okay guys, now we have the Alcatel 3V 2019. The Stylo 5 one more time. We're gonna do the Legacy one more time. But overall, let me know which device out of these three actually sounded better in your ears, and then let me know what you think about the sound test that I did, if you think it was pretty accurate and everything. But I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible. But if you did, make sure you go ahead and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But in the meantime, it's your boy Serrano, and make sure you guys stay locked in for more future videos just like this one. But I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.